Hello fellow Greymanes, here's how you can get the shotgun shield in Crimson Desert. Crazy as it sounds, this light shield can shoot scatter shots like a real shotgun. With a Kevit, you need to block enemy attacks 3 times for it to gain a charge. And it's also not repairable unfortunately. Aside from these, it gives 7 points in defense with a level 2 movement speed bonus. It can be found just above the Tashkalp label in the Crimson Desert region, inside an enemy camp called Hilmara. You got 2 choices. Clear the camp or just sneak your way in. The latter is quite possible. Just approach from the west side of the camp, and when you look down you'll see the shield on the ground floor, shining in its silver glow. Just glide your way down away from the enemy's sight. When you land, sneak right away and move towards the shield. Quietly take down any enemies that might be in your way to avoid trouble. When the coast is clear, just take the shield and escape. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.